In the composite structures paper, we focused first on a beam setup, a simple supported small-scale monolithic glass specimen with safety film on one side and a preliminary fracture more or less in the middle. The specimen was subjected to an initial cooling stage just to focus on the effect of repeated vibrations, repeated impacts, and thermal gradients. On the right, you can see some pictures of the typical specimens that we tested experimentally in our lab. The intact specimen, so the glass plate with the retrofitting film, the cracked specimen with the film before the experiments, and the progressive evolution of damage in the region of crack, which, as you can see, is characterized by a very important interaction of minor shards and a very important effect on the associated mechanical parameters, like the bending stiffness, the residual capacity, and so on.